Good afternoon, my name is Daniela. I will talking about a study of splice strength of steel reinforcement embedded in recycled aggregate concrete. For this investigation, using 24 splice beam with steel reinforcement and the level replaced the aggregate concrete with material recycled is 50% and 100%. Also variables were investigated is like a concrete grade, normal and high strength. Finally, has been proposed a descriptive equation for recycled aggregate concrete. Today, the concrete that have material recycled has been mostly in non-structural application because the quality of aggregates influence the mechanical strength and therefore expansion of crash and low bond strength. It's for this reason that is carried out tests for determining this resistance, and from the results to promote a structural use concrete with recycled material. Now I am talking about aggregate. Aggregate is an inert material and the principal component of concrete mixture. The aggregate's natural and artificial type, and the aggregate natural have an environmental impact due to the pressure to natural source. Aggregates derive from recycled construction or demolition waste or materials such as plastic, waste, glass or wood could be a solution. As I was saying, the recycled aggregate concrete could be a solution. For example, there is a research about concrete with rim rubber. The following materials are used in this investigation: 24 splice beam specimens, Portland cement, clean river sand, and cross aggregate, natural and recycled, nominal size 12.5 millimeters. In this table present physical properties of Portland cement, for example, specific gravity, thickness by Blaine, softness Le Chatelier, and standard consistency. In this table present physical and mechanical properties of aggregate. Aggregate natural coarse aggregate and recycled concrete aggregate. Properties like thickness modules, bulk, specimen gravity, density. Okay, in this investigation use two myths. Myth A, normal strength, and myth B, high strength. The control not have replaced aggregate concrete, and 15% have recycled aggregate concrete plus 50% natural aggregate concrete, and other 100 recycled aggregate concrete. The replaced level defined as ratio between weight of recycled aggregate concrete and total of coarse aggregate. Test setup. They were test flation using a universal testing machine with capacity 2,500 kilonewtons. As a result, this test, the crash behavior was fundamentally similar across all the specimens. Descriptive equation for bond stretch. Finally, as a result, acquired power provides the best representation of the effect, the resistance of recycled aggregate concrete. As a conclusion, bond behavior and failure modes were similar in the natural aggregate and the recycled concrete aggregate splice beam specimens. which indicates that the same mechanics of bond resistance were at play in both these concrete types. Thank you.